Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100. And yo man, Twitter is trending with Dogecoin. Man, Dogecoin is rocking right now. You see here the price is touching 0.45. That's absolutely crazy going on here today. You see here I have posted some good things today to show you guys some important things so you can have a idea about this. Let me open the CoinCap market as well so you can have idea about the Dogecoin has just entered in the top 5 list. As you can see here, Dogecoin has just entered the top 5 list with 192 whooping percent. Damn. And look at the volume. This is incredible. Just look at the volume and just look at this chart. So Dogecoin price has, over the last 7 days, 527%. If we go to the cryptocurrency tab and we look at the gainers and losers, and there we're gonna have with the volume. If we look at the volume, the Dogecoin is on the top of the list. Damn, that's too much of the volume, and Dogecoin is rocking. So now what's gonna happen from here on now? Here, if we see here, we see a lot of hypes and the tweets trending in the Dogecoin, and some people say that it is going to invest in, it's gonna touch the $1 soon. So we have to wait and see for that because a lot of hype is going on. And what's on here? If we look at the monthly chart, let's start with the monthly chart. Just look at the chart. Well, what can I do here? What can I draw here? There's nothing to draw because it's not following any TA. It's purely based on the news. We can't draw anything like that. I have drawn this level. Let's take a look at the weekly. You can see here I'm on the weekly chart, okay, and there, let me tell you some technical analysis as well. If we look at the 1 day, it's in the strong buy zone. All the oscillators are telling us the strong buy. Here the summary is telling us the strong buy. And if we go at this level, exponential moving average, simple moving average, all the moving averages shows that it is being bought. So we have a lot of buying. If we look at the weekly, it's also buying. If we look at the monthly, it's also buying. If we look at 1 hour, it's buy, strong buy. 15 minutes buy, strong buy. 1 minute, 1 minute is oscillator tells the selling, and here we have the strong buy. So it's buying, demand. So the price is moving up and up. So that's why price is, just crazy, guys. It's just crazy. You see, today is the day, first day. I'm talking about this today, the April 16th, and I'm trying to draw the levels, but I'm confused where to draw these levels because it's not following any TA. It's just moving up and up. Here is the some spot level, the zone here, this zone, and we can have this zone as well if we take a look at here. And for now, let me draw the level here as well. I'm gonna make it a green. Let's make it green. Now I'm gonna go to the 3 hours, and there you go. Let's go to the 2 hours. And here you go. You see that price is being respected in the 2-hour chart. Here it stayed for a while. Here you can see the price stayed for some time here in this zone. So these two zones are respected. And if we go to, and I don't know about the more move, what I'm expecting. Well, this candle here this candle is showing that there are still a lot of buying going, because this is a candle, we call this a doji candle. So what happens, let's take a look at the doji. Is it a doji candle or not? Doji candles, let's take a look at the doji candle. It's quite similar like this is, might be. If we look at the, let me check from here. If we, let me show you another indicator here. I have an indicator called candlesticks, and if we go to this repo 32, if we click this, we're gonna get to know, oh, more trading is not allowed. Let me uncheck some. Okay, I told you, just look at it here. I told you this is a doji, and the indicator shows that this is a doji candle. And let's see what happens after the doji candle. What are they for? And learned how to interpret. Let's take a look at this doji candle. What they see. How do you read the doji candle? The creation of a doji pattern illustrates whether after the open bullish bulls push the price higher only for price to be rejected and pushed lower by the bears. Okay, however bears are able to keep. Okay, so basically the bulls are trying to push the price back. Okay, a doji could be formed where price is moving lower first and then higher, and either the market goes back with they started. So what could be the, you see it's a reversal candle here. You see we are expecting some kind of, isn't looking same like this candle. It's very similar to this candle, and after that it downtrend, and again another doji indecision. It means the indecision reversal of trend possible. So well, we can't say anything like that, but the volume is too much. Doji after an uptrend or the downtrend. In a doji pattern, the market explores its options both upward and downward, but cannot commit either way. After a long uptrend, this indecision manifests by the doji could be viewed as a time to exit one's position or at least scale back after a long downtrend. So it means it's the doji means the indecision in the market. So here right now, if we look at the 2-hour candle here, you see, well, what I see here, a lot of buyers are pushing the price up. Okay, they are trying to break this level. This level needs to be break, which is 0.45. Let's take a look at the volume. If we look at the volume, wow, it's amazing. Just look at the volume. Just look at the volume, how it's increasing. See, volume increasing, then consolidation. Here you see the pattern behind that as well. You see here, volume increased, price increased, volume increased, then consolidation period, the volume stayed consolidated. That after that, volume pushed up, price pushed up. So we might expect some volume here. Might be after the break of this level, we might see some consolidation maybe here. We can also see some consolidation here as well at a 0.38 level. So this is the level, and let's take a look at, I just wanted to guys let you know guys, there was a I don't know about that, there was a symbol called the CME. If it works or not, I have CME. There was a, don't know about that, may it be a CME gap, CME bit. I just used that bit time ago. CME BTC might be. Well, we can see BTC, BTC USD, CME group. Well, I will let you know guys next time, because there is a CME gap which has to be filled by, let me, if we check CME BTC, yeah, CME deal, that's the thing. Let's check it out here if it works or not. BTC1, if we look at here, BTC1 CME futures, And yeah, there you go. This is the thing I wanted to let you know, guys, that the CME gap needs to be filled. And you see here, this was the gap which was pending. You know, this gap was pending. So if we extend this to, like, if we extend this to this, so still it's unfilled, and we might expect some retracement here. We might expect some retracement here. So during that retracement here, we can go back to 59,000 for a retracement as well, because here you can see, if I close this candle, and let me show you, uh, if I go to the 4-hour chart, okay, here you go. This gap needs to be filled, this gap here, and I am expecting, might be we're gonna see some retracement in the coming Monday or Sunday. On the weekends these things usually happen. If we look at Mondays, which was the last Monday, it was the 12th. If we go back to the 12th, it was a good bullish 12th. I am a fourth, or yeah, 12. So we see consolidation in that period. So Sunday, if we go back, it was good. But anyhow, if we look at the days, let me show you the day wise analysis. You see day wise how uh, the CME gaps were filled, and this CME gap has never been filled. 55,000 has not been filled yet, and this gap has also not been filled yet. So I'm a little bit concerned about this gap. If we draw, you see here, this is the 63,840 is the consolidation, or is the resistance right now, and this gap needs to be filled. Anyhow, if we go back, if in case this gap fills, we might see some retracement of the altcoins as well. So we go back to the Doge USDT, and we go to the 2-hour chart. Let's take a look at here. You see the Doji is, you know, it's indecision in the market, but I'm expecting some, you know, some retracement, or might be this level could be broken. If we draw some, let's take a look at the fib retracements. If we draw from the low, where is the low? If we draw from this low and we draw to 1 here at this level, so what happens here if we look at the lines here? Okay, this line was respected. Sorry, this is the fab retracements, and if we look at here, you see, so this line perfectly sits on the resistance. Okay, the next up is this one. This 0.68 was a good point where the retracements happen, and we might see some retracement of the 0.5. But if we go up, if we move up, we can see that this, we can expect 0.5. We can also expect 0.6 as well, but that gonna happen if we break this level. We move up, touch back, and retest here for some time, consolidation, and after that again we try to break this level, and if it breaks, we're gonna see this level, and then we're gonna see this level being tested, or we might again gonna see this level as well, or this level may be in the cards. So you have to look for the volume, and $1 is also very far away from here. If we look at $1, it's almost 150% from here. So all the indicators are telling to buy. So we need some retracement. We need this level to be broken. This level has to be broken with a good volume, and it's gonna touch from 0.5, and then we're gonna have a retracement here. So just guys, this is not a financial advice, but hold and wait. It's already on the top, so wait for the, if it this level breaks, then you can enter and you can exit 0.5 here. But this again, this is not a financial advice. Wait for the candle to close. If we go to the 1 hour candle here, you see, if we go to the 1 hour candle, and let me delete this fib retracement, sorry, feb this sorry, let me delete this one. Okay, so here we are. Just take a look at this level. This is the 1 hour chart. Okay, so we might see some retracement in this zone. You see the price don't go or don't touches the one level, it touches or stays inside a zone. This is a zone. Okay, this is a zone, so you have to respect that zone. So here what I'm seeing here, three long wicks, you know, three long wicks and one large wick below. So it means there are a lot of sellers booking their profit and they want to sell from this level. So still very indecision in the market, and this zone is very critical here. So wait for some candle close and something like that, and after that we can expect. So the summary is, let this level be broken, then we can say that price is gonna move up, and then we can go for this level, we can go for this level as well for the retracement, for the retest, and that's all. And this chart, what I do, this chart is here, total market cap. I'm gonna tell you in the next video what this chart is all about and why I used to see this chart to take trades. So that's all, guys. This is the Dogecoin or Dogecoin, whatever you call, price prediction, and I hope you have I gave you the summary, the analysis which I can give you to my limited knowledge. So that's it. Take care. Happy trading.